So now check the next example. Example statement is a write a program to find the factors of any number entered through keyboard. So it's a very simple code. So if your number is 120, we will just find out any number which is divisible to 120 from 1 to 120. So all these numbers will be considered as a factors for this number here. See, in this case, the statement of code will be like this: find factors of given number here. Find factors of given number means if you entered number 10, output should be 1, 2, 5, 10. That will be the output here. So once again we are entering one number from keyboard, so this statement will remain as it is. Now see how we can write down for loop. Our loop starts with value 1 and ends value n. So here we are writing this for loop for, once again we will go with this variable I, which will represent every single value of that sequence in, and we will use this range function to create this sequence. Now see, range starts with this sequence starts with value 1, so initial value will be 1, and here we are saying n plus 1 because we want to include this number also. 10 is like last number, so if you say n, it will be a stopping number, so your loop will only traverse from 1 to n minus 1. If you say n plus 1, it will traverse from 1 to n plus 1. Now in this case we just want to increment value of this sequence by 1 only, so there is no need to write down 1 over here. That's a default value. So this will be our loop here, and what we want to check in this loop, we'll just check if n is divisible by I. If n is divisible by I, if it is divisible, then it will be a factor. So just print this value of I. It's a simple single line code over here. Enter a number, check this number is divisible by I. If it is divisible, then it will be considered as a factor. So here we are entering number 10. We will check what are the factors. So as per our answer here, factors will be 1, 2, 5, 10. So once again we use a range function to create a range. Once again we use a for loop to traverse that particular sequence.